Want to personalize your Etsy shop and build trust with buyers? Adding or updating your profile picture is a quick and easy way to do it. Here's how. First, log into Etsy on your computer or mobile device. If you're on a computer, go to Shop Manager, then Settings, and finally Options. If you're using the Etsy app, tap the Shop tab. Next, click Add Profile Picture or Edit next to your current picture. Choose a JPG, PNG, or GIF file under 5 megabytes from your device. The platform supports rectangular images, but suggests a square picture for best results. Etsy will auto-crop if required. If needed, use the cropping tool to adjust your image. Etsy now offers AI-assisted cropping for optimal results. Save your changes, and you're done. Keep in mind that it may take a few hours for the updated image to appear everywhere due to caching. Make sure the image is free of explicit content to avoid moderation issues. Use a high-resolution, professional-looking image that represents your brand. A logo, a headshot, or a picture of your shop are all great options. Avoid generic stock photos. Buyers respond well to authentic branding. Consider custom logos, photos of you at work, or team photos. Eco-conscious sellers might use nature-inspired images. Ensure the image looks good on mobile devices since many Etsy shoppers use the app. Expect AI-driven personalization in the future, such as auto-generated profile suggestions based on your shop's theme. A good profile picture can significantly increase click-through rates and sales, so it's worth taking the time to get it right. Remember to add alt text to the image for better accessibility, which also helps with SEO.